1. So number 1 is 7/8 plus 1/8. So when we have the same denominator, we keep the denominator the same, like that. So we keep 8, and then we just add the numerator. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Now when we have a fraction like this, like 8/8 or 9/9, then that just equals 1 because it's 8 out of 8. It's complete, it's whole, so it's 1. Let's look at number 2. 2/6 plus 3/6. So we keep the 6, we keep the denominator because whenever we have the same denominator, we don't change it, we keep it. And then we add the numerators. 2/6 plus 3/6. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So it's 5/6. Let's look at number 5. Same thing here. We keep the denominators because it's the same. And then we add the numerators. 7 plus 5 is 12. So once again, it's 12 out of 12. It's 100%. It's whole. So then it equals 1. Lastly, let's look at number 7. 6/9 over plus 1/9. So we keep the 9. And here we're adding, so we add the numerators. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So that would be 7/9. Okay. Moving on to the next page, number 10. Let's look at number 10. So here we have different denominators. So we need to get the same denominator. So we're going to look for a like term, a common multiple. So what times 4 is 8? Because we want to get the same denominator. So here we're going to multiply by 2 because 4 times 2 is 8. Same thing, we're going to multiply the numerator by 2 as well, because what we do the one to the bottom, we also do to the top. So then the new equation is going to be 2/8 plus, now we have 1 times 2, which is 2, and 4 times 2, which is 8. So, like always, like we learned in the beginning, in the top, in the first page, we have the same denominators now, so we keep the denominator the same, and we add 2 plus 2, which is 4. Now 4/8, we can simplify it because both of these are divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Can we simplify this even more? Yes, because 2 is also divisible by 2 and 4 is also divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now can we simplify this anymore? No, because it's already simplified here. Sorry, that went away. Which is 1/2. So we can't simplify anymore. So number 10 is 1/2. Now let's look at number 14. Here we have the same thing. We're always trying to make the smaller number get to the bigger number. So what times 3 is 6? Does something times 3 equal 6? Because we're looking for the least common multiple, the least number that can be multiplied to make both of them equal, the same denominator. So we already have 6, and 3 times something can be 6. So we only have to multiply on one side. And what we do to the bottom, we also do to the top. So the new equation is, 2/6 plus 2/6. So like always, we keep the denominator the same because we have the same denominators here, and 2 plus 2. So, no, it went away. But anyway, 2 plus 2 is 4/6. 4/6. We can simplify that, and we know 4 is divisible by 2, which is 2, and 6 was also divisible by 2, which is 3. So now it's completely simplified. We can scroll down now. Let's look at number 1, which is 56 divided by 4. 1, because 4 times 1 is the most that can go in. We bring down the 6, and 4 times 4 is 16. So now we know that 56 divided by 4 is 14. Let's try Let's try one more. Let's try number 3, which is 864 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 8 once because 8 times 1 is 8. Then we bring down the 6. Oh, okay. Let's try that again. Let's do a smaller one. Yeah, let's do this one. 77. So 11 times what goes into 7? Well, we don't know because that's going to be 0 because we don't know. But what as a whole? So 11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 3, 11 times 4, 11 times 7 is 77, which is pretty simple. So this is equal to 7. Let's look at number 1 here. So it reads, James had 12 marbles. He lost 3 of them. What fraction of the marbles was left? So he had 12. He had 12 marbles, and he lost 3 of them. So now he has 9. But in total, he had 12. So now he has 9 out of the 12 he had in total before. Now we can simplify this because 9 is divisible by 3. So that equals 3. And 12 is also divisible by 3. So now it's 3/4. So this is the fraction in simplest terms. Let's look at number 2 lastly. Jamie won 18 stuffed toys at a fair. So she had 18 and she gave away 6 stuffed toys. So now she has 6 out of the 18. Can that be simplified? Yes, because 6 is divisible by 3 and so is 18. So 6 over 18. 6 is divisible by 3, which is 2. And 18 is divisible by 3 as well, which is 6. This is also divisible by 2 is divisible by 2, which is 1. And 6 is divisible by 2 as well, which is 1/3. So this is the fraction in simplest terms.